Harap dito!
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Ate Jasmine, dito ka sa gilid. Tapos si Metel, ay bigyan natin hi. Okay, other side naman, ay dito ka Ate Jasmine. And for second, si Yui. Okay, ibigyan mo lang yung second candle. Okay, magbigay tayo ng wish para kay Lane. Okay na po? Okay na tayo dyan. Blow your candle. Wow! Okay, dito ka Ate Yuri. And next, si Chloe sa dito. Okay, dito ka Ate Yuri. Okay, blow your candle. Yan. Okay, dito ka natin, Chloe. Okay, next. Princess Venus. Okay, para sa ating fourth candle.
Hey! Julie, halika lang.
Okay, blow your candle. Okay. Para sa ating Pip, si Joy at Leia. Happy birthday, May. Be a good girl. Okay, blow your candle. Thank you so much, Ate Joy. And for next, Chloe Alina.
May happy 7th birthday. Either we are Friday, happy birthday for everyone.
Palakpakan naman natin si Chloe para sa naman ng years. Okay, Theo Viray. Okay, harap ka kay Chloe at kay Lay. Okay, pala po naman namin si Zea. Okay, thank you so much. At ngayon,